Yeah, my 18th week right here on YouTube, documenting my journey to $2 million in profit funding. Sometimes I just say these things and I laugh because sometimes the vision look something that is unrealistic. That's in looking at the way it has been going. This is my 18th week here, and I'm still trying to pass phase 2 of my $10,000 account, and I'm still in drawdown shit, deep drawdown safe. And your goal is still to hit $2 million. Sometimes this thing just sound funny to me, but I started it. I have nothing to do, but I have no other option but to just keep pushing. So last week was a no trading week for me. I saw a very good setup though, and that setup was on I think NZUSD or AUDUSD, sorry, AUDUSD, and I'll be sharing the analysis with you right here. So I saw that setup, placed my pending order, sell limits order, put my stop loss and my take profit. That trade was a 1:7, a risk to reward ratio of 1:7. But the price just moved, get very close to my entry point, and just few pips to activate my order. I left and head over to my take profit immediately. And I'll be sharing the screen right here. In short, what you're seeing right here on the screen is the analysis. This was exactly how the team played out on that on AUDUSD. So you can see where I placed my pending order, put my stop loss there, and target my take profit. Just few pips to activate. It left and head over straight to take profit. So that's it for the week. That's it for the week. That was the only trade I would have taken for the week. But what do I have to say? That is just one of the thing about trading. You have some trades that will just move straight to your entry points, leave you and go ahead to and go to your take profit. There are some trades you will break even. Immediately you break even, it will come down there, hit your break even, and head over to your take profit. There are some trade you will not break even. It will go give you 1:1. You say, okay, let me hold this trade. I'm not breaking even this time around. It will not break even. It will move and go and hit your stop loss. So this trading self, you can't be perfect. You can't be perfect when it comes to trading. The only thing you can do perfectly once it comes to trading is managing your risk. Yes, managing your risk is the only thing you can do perfectly in forex trading. Any other thing, you can end up taking your profit at 1:2, and that same trade can move and give you 1:10. And you'll be like, hi, had I know, I would have hold my profit. I can say, okay, let me hold till 1:10. It will just move 1:2, come back, hit your stop loss, and still go. This trading is very, very crazy. It's very, very crazy. I don't. Here is the AUDUSD trade I set a pending order on last week that did not play out. As you can see right here on my screen, this is exactly how I came about that trade. Let me just share my analysis with you. If you know me very well, what I trade here is just support and resistance level, trend line and horizontal support and resistance level. That's all I do here. So right here, you can see that here is a support level. Here is another support level again. And right here is another support level again on this particular pair. It gave us a false break here, come back inside to resist the level, and now close significantly below these strong levels here, here, and here. So I knew that the next day, what it's going to do is to give us a retest of this zone. And after that retest, we will see a massive sell to the downside. And where is it heading to? It's heading to the low of the previous month, which is this point here. This trade would have been a trade of 1:7. But guess what? Just look at the trade. Few pips to activate my order, just around 4 pips. The price left and head over straight to my take profits. Head over straight to my take profits. So some of you may feel like I find out it has played out, that's why I'm sharing my screen. No, that's not what I do here. If you watch well, I actually shared the screenshots, which I'll be putting on the screen right here. You can see the screenshot of my analysis even before this trade finally played out. I screenshot it, did my analysis, set my pending order, put my risk, then Finally, it played out like this. This trade would have given me a very reasonable profit, but that's just it. There's nothing we can do about the market. Just control our risk and emotions, nothing else. That's just how this trade on AUDUSD played out. Understand? So, guys, nothing to say more this week. Here's my PNL for the week. Empty. Everything is empty. I never take any trade, and you can see my account balance. Everything is still intact. I'm still down in drawdown. So I'm still 6% in drawdown, almost 6%. So hopefully this week will be a better week for me. Reach my 19th week right here. So let's see. I'll catch you again next week. Peace.